In today's video, we will turn this piece of scrap metal into
a rebar bending jig. Sometimes when you see a lot of scrap metals, then it is just scrap. But sometimes those metals could be even turned to something usable. And this was the case in today's situation. I was able to find that piece of scrap metal which had the thickness to allow me to create a rebar bending jig. I don't want to spend your valuable time, so therefore I will speed up some parts of the video. What I did here, I have cut the metal with an angle grinder. It was a cordless angle grinder. You can use a cord one, but that was what I used. I was actually giving a really hard time for that angle grinder. And since I'm planning to paint it, probably it is not making sense because anyhow I will scratch the surface multiple times, but I have decided that I will clean the surface and prepare for paint the surface once I'm ready with that one. In my head it was much easier than it is look like, because I was deciding that I will use 3 pieces of metal set next to each other and weld it on that surface. And yeah, the plans are always beautiful, but the reality, it was a bit different. So the original plan was that I will drill 3 bigger holes on that piece of metal and weld it inside of that hole, and unfortunately this happened.
I messed up the head of the driller. I cannot continue like this, so it's time for plan B. I might will solder as it is. It's very unfortunate, but it is what it is.
I'm not a professional welder, and probably I won't be never ever, but I really enjoy to weld, and I believe that's what matters. And finally I got a result what I wanted. So don't judge please, because I'm not a pro, and actually I'm currently in the process of learning. Even though if I have used magnets to set everything in 90°, somehow it's not 90°, and probably it's due to the welding that the material, it works and moves. But yeah, that is what it is, and I know I'm telling that for the 3rd time that is what it is, but again I'm in the process of learning, and I haven't purchased, I'm doing that from scrap itself. So after the welding was done and it was looking good, I have cleaned a bit of the surface, and I have decided that I will cut that long pieces of metal rods, and drill some holes that I can drill it or bind it to a wood and work with that later on. And since I believe I was done so far, I hope that it will last long, forever. I have started to add some layer of painting as a primer, and after then I have waited a couple of seconds and I have given a very and shiny silverish color. Again, that doesn't make sense, but I have really wanted to have something as a nice finished product from that piece of scrap metal. And if you want to see when I test it, then hit the like and subscribe to my channel, And if you think this video was or was interesting, then leave your comments below. Thank you very much. I wish you a great day.